Write equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay, this is very similar to the assignment we did a while back. It was, hold on, a few copies real fast. So if you remember when we did, which one was it? It's graph. Where did it go? Here you go. Slope intercept from 2 points. It's very similar to that assignment. It's actually probably easier if you ask me. So what we need to do first, so when we did this slope intercept from 2 points, remember we had to find the slope first, and then we plugged in a point. We're going to do the exact same thing, except the slope has already been determined for us. Okay, so in this question, we're trying to find a line that's perpendicular to this. So we're looking at the slope only, which is -1, or -1/1. And the perpendicular line is reciprocal, which is 1/1, and a different sign. So it's positive instead of negative. So we need a slope of 1. So y equals 1x, and what we need to determine is what our b is. To determine our b, we're going to take this point and plug it in. So our y is -4. Our x is -9, so 1 times -9 plus b. Now we're going to solve for b. 1 times -9 is -9. And we're going to add 9 to both sides. -4 plus 9 is 5, which equals b. So we're going to plug this into our equation. So we'll erase that, and it's, what, +5? So our equation will be y equals 1x plus 5, or just simply y equals x plus 5. Y equals x plus 5. Okay. This one, we're doing a line that is parallel. So parallel to y equals -7. Well, we don't have a slope here. So if we have no slope, what does that mean? It means our slope is 0. So m equals 0. We got to put in this point. So we have y equals mx plus b. So our m is 0, x plus b. And we're going to plug in this point, so 7 and 5. 7 goes in for our x, and 5 goes in for our y. So 5 equals 0 times 7 plus b. You probably already can figure out 0 times 7 is simply 0. So 5 equals b. So our equation is y equals 5. A little bit of a weird one there. Y equals 5. All right, 2 more together. So we're doing perpendicular again. So identify our slope. It is 3, or 3/1. So the reciprocal is 1/3. And this one's positive, so that's negative. So this is our slope that we're using for our perpendicular line. So y equals -1/3 times x plus b. Let's take this point, plug it in. 5 is our y, -1/3 times -9. To do this, we get -1 times -9, which is 9/3 plus b. 9/3 is 3. And we're subtracting 3 from both sides. 5 minus 3 is 2. So our b is 2. So I'll erase my b and plug in 2. So y equals -1/3 x plus 2. Y equals -1 divided by 3 x plus 2. 1/3 x plus 2. Let me make sure it's right. Looks good to me. Okay. All right, one more. Okay, we got parallel one. So we're doing parallel, so we're keeping the same slope. Y equals 1/2 x, but a different y-intercept. So we're plugging this point in, -6 1/2 times 9 plus b. So 1 times 9 is 9/2 equals -6. We're going to subtract 9/2 from both sides. I know you all hate fractions, so that cancels off. So -6, I'm going to rewrite this over here. Run out of space. So -6 minus 9/2. So to add and subtract fractions, we have to have similar denominators. We currently don't have that. We're going to multiply this fraction by 2 to get our denominator to 2. So we get -12/2 minus 9/2. -12 minus 9 is -21/2. That is our b value. So erase this. Actually, erase my positive sign too. Minus 21/2. So 1/2 x minus 21/2. I already kind of forgot it. What was it? 1/2 x, 21/2. So 1 divided by 2 x minus 21/2. Is that right? That looks good, and it's right.